What's up guys, welcome to this Galaxy Buttercream Cake tutorial. First I start with a buttercream cake that's nice and cold, and it does have my white American buttercream on the outside. It's not perfect, but we're gonna add buttercream on top, so it doesn't really matter. We're gonna start by adding some of this royal blue buttercream. I'm adding it with an offset spatula, kind of just adding it randomly here and there. The goal to making the Galaxy buttercream is so that it all looks smooth and they all kind of run into each other. So you want to cover all of the white areas of your cake. I'm using a very light blue buttercream right now. I'm again adding it randomly to the cake. We're going to cover all the white areas. So you're going to just continue to do this for all of your colors. This is a darker Galaxy buttercream cake, so I do have these dark colors. I'm adding a dark purple now, but I did want those little pops of the light blue buttercream to show through. So it's mainly dark with just a couple of light spots here. I love the end result, and I hope you guys will too. So I'm just adding more buttercream to the top randomly here and there. You want to make sure you cover all these white areas. I have an even darker blue buttercream now that I'm adding. I'm trying to fill in as many white spots as I can. After I get that color of buttercream added, I'm gonna try to smooth them together slightly with my offset spatula before going over it with my smooth cake comb. This is just so that the colors run into each other more naturally, and it doesn't just look like blotches of different colors of buttercream. It looks really cool when you see the end result. So just filling in any little gaps. Very repetitive, but it's easy and it's fun. Right now I'm using the offset spatula to just smooth those colors into each other so that they look more naturally occurring. Now it's time to smooth all these colors together. I am using the smooth cake comb from Ester Cakes. I will put a link in the description. I hold the smooth cake comb with my right hand and rotate the turntable with my left. After you go over your cake, you might notice that there are some gaps in the buttercream where the smooth cake comb did not reach. They tend to go in a little bit deeper. They don't stick out as far. So just fill in any little gaps and make sure you fix up the top of your cake. In between scrapes, I do like to clean off my cake comb with a clean paper towel. This just gives you a nice, clean, smooth surface for going over your cake again. I just feel like it works better. So once you do that, just clean up the top again and you're done. And then I like to clean the cake board off. You see there's some residual buttercream on the board there. Just clean it off with a clean paper towel. And now I'm gonna make some of the stars. For the Galaxy, I'm using a toothbrush that I only use for cake decorating, and I add some white poppy paint. And I have a gloved finger because sometimes the paint's a little bit hard to come off your hand. So I just use the gloved finger and I pull back the bristles of the toothbrush, and it just like splatters on the cake, and it just gives it a really cool look. I'll zoom in later so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. But you just pull the bristles back like that and aim it at your cake, and they look like little stars in the Galaxy. Comes out really cool. It's a cool effect. what I love about poppy paint is that it doesn't run down your cake. If you used a gel food coloring, mixed with lemon extract or vodka, it would run down your cake. See that glove there? That's why I wear the glove. And I'm just adding a name with my edible glue. It's available on my website. And I'm just adding a topper that I made that kind of looks like a moon. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe.